My name is Jamie from OurPropertyBear. My background is engineering. I studied mechanical engineering and management and then went on and was a design engineer and project manager in a very specialist engineering company. OurPropertyBear's mission is to reduce carbon and costs in the hospitality industry. The hospitality industry is not classified, but it is actually a very energy intensive industry. So energy is quite tricky for a lot of people to understand, and one of the reasons why we use the sub-meters is because you can't see it. So it's really trying to make that visible, and then once it's visible, how people can actually understand it and engage with it and you have access to it as well. So having the IronPDF to collate all that data and give it in like a 2-page, simple, easy to digest format is really powerful. At OurPropertyBear, we believe that if you've got better information, you can make better decisions and ultimately have lower energy bills. So the important things to me are that the renders are accurate and clear. We can get our branding in. It looks like an attractive report for our clients. That we've got the security, so there's not going to be any issues, and the support as well. That if anything does change, that we can get up and running and fixed as soon as possible. In order to achieve that, we need suppliers like IronPDF who can give that accuracy and timely reports to our clients. We needed the software to turn the HTML website into a PDF so that we could share it with the on-site teams, so they didn't have to log in. The report and their energy usage was sitting in their inbox for them. The reports that IronPDF create are really important because it provides the same information to the owners, the finance team, the operations, the managers, and the kitchen and front of house staff. So the reports really help everyone make changes and help the environment. So communication is key, and staff engagement and staff training is key. For the IronPDF reports, we have tasks at the bottom, which means that everyone can make tangible steps to actually reduce the energy use. It's really important for us to work with other suppliers that support our values, and to hear the Iron Software support Team C's and looking to donate more money to environmentally friendly companies is just amazing.